Welcome back again in a new video tutorial session from Biology Boost-Up. And in this video tutorial session, we going to study about another most important enzyme, that is ligase and alkaline phosphatase, which are very essential for biotechnology. So now let's start. At first, the ligase enzyme. In biochemistry, a ligase is an enzyme that can catalyze the joining of two large molecules by forming a new chemical bond, usually with accompanying hydrolysis of a small pendant chemical group on one of the larger molecule, or the enzyme catalyzing the linking together of two compounds. For example, enzyme that catalyze joining of CO, CS and CN. The mode of action of ligase enzyme. In general, a ligase catalyze the following reaction. As you can see here, A and B a compound and C is another compound. Now, due to presence of ligase enzyme, the B separated from the compound AB. As a result, the C now form a bond with A compound, or sometimes A and small b plus small c and capital D here react with each other, and the bond is formed due to presence of ligase enzyme between A and D, where the lower cases letter can signify the small dependent group. Ligase can join two complementary fragments of nucleic acid and repair single-stranded breaks that arises in double-stranded DNA during replication. The mechanism of action of ligase enzyme. The mechanism of DNA ligase is to form two covalent phosphodiester bonds between 3' hydroxyl ends of one nucleotide with the 5' phosphate end of the another nucleotide. And here two molecule ATP are consumed for the each phosphodiester bond formation, and AMP is required for the ligase reaction, which proceed in 4 steps. At first, recognition of activity site such as nicks in DNA segments or Okazaki fragments, etc. Second step is adenylation, that is addition of AMP of a lysine residue in the active center of the enzyme. Pyrophosphate is released. Now, in the third steps, transfer of AMP to the 5' phosphate of the so-called donor, formation of a pyrophosphate bond. Now next, formation of a phosphodiester bond between the 5' phosphate of the donor and the 3' hydroxyl of acceptor. Now next, the alkaline phosphatase. During cloning, the vector DNA molecule following cutting should be treated with alkaline phosphatase. It will remove the 5' terminal phosphate group and thus preventing recirculation and plasmid dimer formation. Now, in this case, circulation of the vector can occur only by insertion of non-phosphatase treated. Now, the foreign DNA which has one 5' terminal phosphate at each joining, one nick at each join remains unligated, but after transformation of host bacteria, cellular repair mechanism reconstruct the intact duplex. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.